Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add card in Talabat. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Talabat app on your Android or iPhone. All right, if you aren't signed in, just go ahead and log in using your account credentials. Once the app opens, just go ahead and tap on the account or profile tab located at the bottom of the screen, the account tab, and it's going to take you to a section which contains your saved addresses, payment options, orders, subscriptions, and account settings. Now scroll through the accounts menu, and from the accounts menu, just go ahead and tap on. So scroll through the accounts menu and tap on Talabat credits. So it can be payment method, wallet, or Talabat Pay, depending on your app version and country. So here you see any payment methods that you've previously saved. All right, so how do you actually add a payment method? You add a payment method once you have placed your first order. So go ahead and place your first order. Once you get to the checkout, go ahead and add a payment method. Now, during your order, after adding your payment method, if you come over here, you find the payment method that you used to create your first order. So once you find that payment method here, all right, you might find the option to add another payment method, all right, or a plus icon. So just go ahead and tap on it, and the app will open a secure payments page where you can enter in new card details. So carefully fill in your card details exactly as they appear on the card, including your card number, your cardholder name, your expiry date, and the CVV. Double check the information before continuing to avoid verification issues. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to complete an additional security check, which could actually include entering a one-time password sent by your bank, approving a transaction in your banking app, or completing another form of 3D secure verification. Just complete the verification to allow Talabat to save your card securely. Now, once the verification is successful, tap Save, Done, or Confirm, and your card will now appear in your saved payment methods and can be selected whenever you place an eligible order. That's pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.